Hi everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper, your go-to channel for quick and easy tech tutorials. Today I will show you how to hide search bar from your taskbar in Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. So if your taskbar looks cluttered and you want a clear desktop, this video is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open taskbar settings. So here this is the taskbar. We are going to click and right click on it. Then we get taskbar settings. You simply click on it and this will open taskbar customization menu where you can enable or disable various taskbar features. Step 2. Hide the search bar. So friend, here you can see that this is the search bar settings. You simply click on this drop down button and then you simply click here hide. So friend, now you can see that the search bar is hide now. Now second method I'm going to show you how you can customize search bar in taskbar of Windows 11. So here we are going to click here on the start button. Now we are going to search settings. So friend, here you can see that this is the settings and this is the settings page. You simply click on it and here you can see that my search page is open now. Okay, so here we are going to simply click on the personalization and then scroll it and you will get option search bar. Okay, here click on this arrow button and now you will get this search option. So friend, here we have 4 options. If you want to hide search bar, you can simply select this one, and if you want a search bar will only showing the search icon, then you simply click on it. And friend, here you can see that this search icon is showing over here. Okay, if you want to showing search icon with the label, you simply click on it and now you can see that here search icon plus label is showing over here. If you want to enable complete search bar, you simply click on it and then click search box. So friend, now you can see that the search box is showing. By this way you can easily customize your search bar in Windows 11. Here are the bonus tips. How to search without the search bar. Press window key and then you can simply type whatever program you want to search. Here for example I'm going to search Word. Okay, so friend, you can see that this search bar is still active. Also you can use window key and then press S, so automatically you will redirect on this search bar. Even without search bar you can still search quickly using these shortcuts. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Hello Helper. More videos, quick tech tips. Get any Windows questions, drop them in comment below. I will give you happy to help you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Stay tuned.